All right, okay, guys. This is a quick one, please. I want to show you guys how you can add up your USDT TRC20 on your Trust wallet, especially those of you who are not using Binance, who depend solely on Trust wallet and the rest of them. This is how you can add it up for those of you who don't have it there. Now, all you do is simple. When you log into your Trust wallet, you will come to that point where you have those two alternate dots, all right? And you click on those dots. Okay, all you have to do is just simply search for USDT TRC20. You see, when you search, options like this will come out, and then the first thing you see is you see TRC20. You see other options, but this is one you choose, TRC20. Okay, and then at this point you will see that this dot, that blue dot you see in front, just like a switch. It will be like this. It will be off. Right now you see it is off. So you have to just click it and switch it on. It turns blue, and that means it's on already. So you've added us automatically. So if you then just select on it. You see it's showing here. So when you go back to your Trust wallet, like myself, I go back now, I'll search for it. You see it will appear. You will see I can find it just right here. All right, this is it. So that's how you add it up. Then if you want to copy all you have to do, just click on that USDT and then click on receive. You click on receive. Okay, just to copy your wallet address in order to receive whatever you need to invest. So hurry up now, guys, and then you click on copy to copy the wallet address. Then you can come down, can send it to wherever you're buying it from. If you want to buy from me, do the same. So it's as simple as ABC. So guys, let's gear up, buy your USDT as early as possible. AS to the moon. Awoo, awoo, yeah, that's